Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Fyers. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fyers.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fyers website. Now if you don't already have an account, you can click on sign up now to proceed forward with creating your account. In order to log in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now you can log in using your phone number or by using your client ID. Choose whichever option you wish and enter your phone number or your client ID. Then click on the continue button and you will receive a verification code within your phone number or your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code that you can enter within the next screen. After entering the verification code, click on the login button and you will be logged into your Fyers account right away. And once you log in, you will be able to access all of the features and start trading with Fyers right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Fyers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.